Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. In this tutorial, we will learn about Python exception. Let's get started. What is exception? In Python, exceptions are events that occur during the execution of a program and disrupt the normal flow of the program's instructions. When an error occurs, an exception is raised, and if it is not handled properly, it can result in the termination of the program. Let's see here. Basically, exception are 5 types. Syntax error, zero division error, name error, type error, and value error. Syntax error, raised when there is a syntax error in the code. Zero division error, raised when division or modulo by zero is encountered. Name error, raised when a local or global name is not found. Type error, raised when an operation or function is applied to an object of an inappropriate type. Value error, raised when a built-in operation or function receives an argument of the correct type but an inappropriate value. Now we will see each error practically one by one. Now we will know about syntax error. Now see here, we not closed the parentheses, that's why showing this error, and this is a syntax error. Let's check it. As you can see here, we got syntax error. Now we will know about zero division error. As you can see here, we got zero division error. Now we will know about name error. Actually, name error is undefined variable, which does not contain any value. Now we will know about type error. Alright, now we will know about exception handling. In Python, exception handling is done using the try, except, else, and finally blocks. The try block contains the code that may raise an exception. The except block catches and handles specific exceptions. You can have multiple except blocks for different exception types. The else block is executed if no exception occurs in the try block, and finally block contains code that will be executed regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. Let's see it practically. See here, this block is handle the specific exception. And this block handle other exceptions. Else execute this block if no exception occurred. And finally this block is always executed, whether an exception occurred or not. Let's execute it. As you can see here, we got an error, which was division by 0. And after that finally block is executed. Because this block is executed every time whether got error or not. Now this block is executed. Now we will see another example. In this example, we got value error exception. As you can see here, we got a value error. Now we will see last and final example. Now see here, we are trying to open a text file, which did not exist in our current directory, so we will get an error. One last thing I want to say here, as we have seen the examples before, in most cases we can only use direct exception, which was catches all the exception. As you can see here, we catch same error through exception. Friends, our today's video was up to this. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.